As all is calm today, some Central Texans are dealing with last night's severe weather. The Bosque County Sheriff's Office suffered a direct lightning strike affecting the electrical systems. Their 911 system is not functioning locally and calls are being routed to Hill County Dispatch in order to ensure all emergency calls are answered. Crews are working to fully recover and repair those damages. More than $58,000 has been raised for the family of a young boy who was struck by lightning. It happened Monday evening, also in Bosque County. The family says Matthew Boggs was holding his son's hand as the two walked home. The lightning hit and killed the father, and the electric current traveled to his son, 6-year-old Grayson Boggs, hospitalizing him with serious injuries. The dad's cousin told 6 News that little Grayson may never walk, talk, or see again. The family is asking for support as they navigate their new life.
We are going to do everything in our power to fight for him, to get him walking and talking again. Even if it takes years, we're willing to put in the work.
Fortunately, Grayson is getting better day by day. All funds will help cover funeral costs and the lifelong medical expenses for Grayson. If you'd like to donate, we have a link to our website. That's kcntv.com.